It's spring, it's a new season, and to start off this new beautiful season as the sun is out longer and the flowers are springing, I decided to do a full juice cleanse to reset my body and prepare me for the beautiful upcoming season. Happy spring, friends. We are back with a juice cleanse video. I was really excited to do this juice cleanse because I was thinking to myself, boy, I have not made juices consistently in a minute. And so I was like, not only am I gonna start my juice grind back up, I'm gonna do a little cleanse, a detox. And so today I will be only consuming juices, cold pressed, fresh pressed juices for 24 hours. It is now spring. It is beautiful outside. The sun goes down so much later now, and the bees are back outside. The flowers are springing, and winter is finally over. I'm so happy, and to celebrate, I'm going to be starting off with a juice fast, a juice cleanse, just to like let go of the old and bring in with the new. The old being bowel movement, bring all of that sugar and iced tea out, babes. And today's video is sponsored by Cuvings. If you're interested in the juicer that is used in today's video, which is my Cuvings Auto 10 Plus juicer, which is the juice that I have been using for the past year, you can go ahead and use code ITALE20 and the link in the description box. This juicer is currently 20% off. It's usually only 10% off when you use my code, but now it is 20% off, and the discount will be over on April 6th, so you want to make sure you don't miss out. This juicer is an amazing, probably one of the best juicers on the market. It can make sorbets, nut milks, smoothies, and obviously cold pressed juices. And I love putting full apples in this juicer because it actually filters out the apple seeds from the juices. It's awesome. It's incredible. If you're interested, check out the link in the description box. I am going to be so honest with you guys. This juice cleanse was one of the hardest things I've done in a minute. I feel like when we are always so dependent on food and we're always eating 3 meals a day, especially eating 3 meals a day and not having consistent bowel movements, we are becoming so addicted to food. And I feel like fasting really gives us the time to slow down and just honor our bodies as the temples that they are. There's a reason why in Christianity and in Islam, there are consistent fasts that they do throughout the year. It's not just to have a better relationship with God, it's also to have a better relationship with your body. Your body is a temple, and we need to be treating it as thus. We need to be deworming, we need to be fasting, we need to give our bodies a break from consistently digesting food. And so going through a day where I'm only consuming liquids gives my body that break that it also deserves and needs. This second juice is actually really tasty, and it only has 3 ingredients. It just has carrots, beets, and oranges. Beets have so much iron, and I'm always talking about how women need to be consistently consuming iron. Very concerned with our iron levels because one of the main reasons why women might have such painful periods is because of low iron levels. So I'm always talking about iron consumption and why women need to be consuming a lot more iron than men, because women naturally need more iron than men, especially during during that time of the month. As beets are a naturally high source of iron, I'm combining the beets with a vitamin C source, aka oranges, to boost the iron absorption levels, because beets do contain non-hem iron, which is basically iron found in plant-based sources. Guys, these Stanley cups are so annoying because they take so much effort to screw off, so I had to get my oven mitt with the grips just to be able to open it. But I am gonna go ahead and go on the road, and so I want to make sure that I am consuming just a little tip of water in between my juices. I don't want to drink too much water that I would usually consume in a day, because I don't want to flush out the nutrients that are found in the juice. Last juice of the day. I have made it and I haven't passed away yet. Last juice of the day is just going to be a simple cold pressed apple juice, and I'm going to be brewing some hibiscus tea to combine with it. I feel like juice fasts are so necessary and so great, whether you might be fasting for half the day, full day, or even a whole week. Juice fasts are able to give you so much clarity. You're not becoming overly dependent on food, because a lot of us in the United States will practice the standard American or SAD diet of consuming breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A lot of us will be consuming foods, eating a meal even if we're not hungry, but just because it's dinner time, or just because it's lunchtime, or just because it's breakfast time. I am a firm believer of, if you're only hungry once a day, only eat once a day. If you're only hungry twice or 3 times a day, then eat those 3 times a day. But we shouldn't be eating just because it's a certain time of the day. And fasting really helps to take away my overdependency on feeling the need to eat just because it's a certain time of day. Okay, you all, that is it for today's video. I really enjoyed you all coming along with me and doing this juice fast, and I really hope it inspires you to be able to do your own juice fast, whether it might be for a few hours or even a few days. Remember, if you're interested in the Kuvings Auto 10 Plus juicer or any other juicers that Kuvings have to offer, their 20% off sale is going to be ending in the next couple days, so you can use the link in the description box for 20% off. I love you guys so much. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.